area of a circle, or which is more pizza, one large or two smalls. I'm Mike the SAT guy. I try to make SAT and ACT prep entertaining. Let's get into it. Ben, Buddy, and Brody are getting together on Sunday to watch football, and they are going to get some pizza. Pizza and football? Talk about a classic American tradition. Ben and Buddy want pepperoni, but Brody wants plain cheese. He thinks the pepperoni makes the pizza too greasy. Ben and Buddy are like, it's pizza though? It's gonna be greasy? But okay. The guys decide to get half pepperoni, half cheese. They can either get one large pizza, 18-inch diameter, or two small pizzas, 12-inch diameter, to eat while they watch the Jets lose. Which option is more pizza, and by how much? Round to the nearest square inch. Or in short, which is more pizza, one large or two smalls? Okay, let's get some pizzas in here. There's a small, there's another small, and here's a large. The small's diameters are 12 inches. The large diameter is 18, which means the radius of each of the smalls is 6, and the radius of the large is 9. Half the diameter. Let's make some room for the work. We are going to need our area of a circle formula. Area equals pi r squared. If you're taking the ACT, you must memorize this formula. If you're taking the SAT, you can look at the reference sheet if you want. You should probably memorize it anyway. So let's start with the smalls. The radius is 6, so the area is pi times 6 to the second power. Let's get our friend PEMDAS in here. We have an exponent and multiplication. Do the exponent first. 6 squared, 6 times itself is 36. Pi times 36, pop it in your calculator, is roughly 113. Multiply by 2 because it's 2 pizzas, and we are looking at roughly 226 square inches of tasty za. Let's do the large now. The radius is 9, so the area is pi times 9 squared. PEMDAS, 9 squared is 81, times pi is roughly 254. So the large is a little bit bigger than the two smalls, surprising as that may be. To get the final answer, just subtract. 254 minus 226 is 28. So the answer is D. One large pizza is bigger by 28 square inches. 28 more square inches of scrumptious, flavorful pizza to chow down on while the Jets drop another one. Here's the same thing applied to a past ACT problem. Y'all can pause the screen on this one. And that's all she wrote. Please like this video, share this video, subscribe to my channel, leave a comment if you have a follow-up question from this lesson, or if you have a request for a future lesson, or anything really. I'm not picky like Brody is with pizza, you know? Okay, bye.